Valley State Park, and a little breezy sometimes. Hopefully you can hear me. Brought the dogs out. I wanted to check it out. It's just up the road somewhat from Echo Canyon, and I wanted to check it out before I brought the trailer all the way up here. But because Echo Canyon is a really nice place. There's more people here, but kind of pretty. It's way up in the canyon, and there's a lake down there, and let's get some shots of that lake. And but I did come up to spend about a half a day up here and poke around and take some pictures. All right, you guys. See ya. Apparently, this is the spot for all the fishermen. I guess this weekend is supposed to be pretty busy. It's just the place everybody goes to, and the kids, and a lot of tents up there in the campground. So I can see why. Kind of a tough place to get a trailer in a couple spots. So I'm not sure if I want to pull that thing up here. But this is really pretty. So I'm at this bar in Eagle Valley Resort, which is on the way to Spring Valley. So I came in for a beer, and they are cold. Really, really cute rustic bar, and back there is a little store. You can get a few items back in there. Ice, firewood, and of course Nevada we got gambling. Pretty cool. There's my bartender. Hi! I was here earlier and had a beer on the way out. So, like I say, on this trip you're going to meet some wonderful people. So I had some chicken tenders, and they even let the dogs come in. Then she brought over a bowl of water. That's gone, but for the dogs. Isn't that nice? And then she brings me over some chicken pieces for the dogs. I love small town saloons. This is awesome.